It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, keto and thirst, a bad combination. The keto diet helps you lose and then maintain healthy weight and blood chemistry levels. But there's a problem that crops up sometimes. It's called keto flu. It isn't a real flu or sickness. It's just a condition you might get into as you start losing a lot of weight and inches. You don't have to go through it. Sticking to the keto plan is hard enough without adding unnecessary mental and physical blocks. There's several causes of it. All of them are preventable. One of the causes is from the toxins that are released into the blood as you lose weight. All that naughty food you ate to gain the weight leaves behind a little present, cellular waste material. It can make you feel lousy when you're losing weight, and that gets released into the bloodstream. Some people even get a headache after missing only a single meal. Stay hydrated. That's what you do about it. That will allow your body to wash away the toxins as they are produced. Here are some helpful tips on how to do that. Think water, not snacks. When you get an urge to eat, first try drinking at least 8 ounces of water. And I know some people have trouble drinking water. Not sure why, but you're going to have to learn how to do it and get used to it. So if you drink the water, see what happens to your cravings. Many times hunger is not real. The body is sending some kind of signals for help, but the brain misinterprets the signal. Try sending water instead of food and see what happens. Keep drinking all day long. Instead of trying to drink half a gallon of water all at once, drink at least 8 ounces every hour. You're not a camel, you can't store water. Your body uses water constantly all day long. So we want to give it the water it needs all day long. Try sweetening the water with a little stevia to see if that helps you drink it. Stevia adds a little sweetness with no calories. You can also make non-caffeinated tea or even broth. All the liquids you drink add up to your daily goal. However, there's a couple of caveats. You want to lower the caffeine. You don't have to give it up completely, just don't be having caffeinated drinks all day. Cup of coffee or tea in the morning is fine. Alcohol you want to lower or eliminate completely. Both caffeine and alcohol will dehydrate you. The problem with alcohol is it'll knock you out of ketosis pretty much instantly. Alcohol turns straight into sugar in the blood. When you drink the water, try to use high pH spring water. pH is the measure of how acid or alkaline something is. You will find it much easier to stomach and drink high pH water. It won't feel so heavy in your stomach. High pH means alkaline. Low pH is acid. Look on the label, or if you can't find it on the label, try calling the company. The pH should be at or above 7. I highly recommend sprinkling a teeny, and I mean teeny, just a pinch of pink salt into your water. Don't overdo it. A few grains, pick it up with your fingertips and sprinkle a little bit into the water. It turns your water into an electrolyte drink and help keep the water from leaching minerals out of your body. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.